नमस्कार, मैं खुशी शर्मा और आप देख रहे हैं पीपीएम टाइम्स। इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूं भारत मंडपम में और जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि यहां पर स्टार्टअप महाकुंभ 2025 जो है उसकी शुरुआत हो चुकी है। 3 से 5 तक स्टार्टअप महाकुंभ 2025 होगा। हालांकि पिछली साल भी महाकुंभ जो 2025 है स्टार्टअप वो हुआ था, लेकिन इस बार इसकी जो भागीदारी है वो ज़्यादा देखी जा रही है। आपकी जानकारी के लिए मैं बता दूं कि इस वक्त मेरे साथ यहाँ पर 3000 से ज़्यादा स्टार्टअप्स की भागीदारी, लोगों की भागीदारी जो यहाँ पर है। इसके अलावा 1000 से ज़्यादा निवेशकों की उपस्थिति यहाँ पर है। 50 से ज़्यादा देशों की भागीदारी इस स्टार्टअप महाकुंभ 2025 में है। और 2 अप्रैल यानी कल की शाम को पीयूष गोयल जी ने यहाँ पर आकर इनॉग्रेशन किया था। यहाँ पर जितने भी लोग हैं उनका खुद का स्टार्टअप्स है, जिससे कि देखिए एक बात ये भी आती है कि इससे देश की जो जीडीपी है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा हमें ग्रोथ देखने को मिलेगी। तो ये सरकार से उठाया गया एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण कदम है जो पिछले साल में उठाया गया था, लेकिन इस बार जो भागीदारी है वो ज़्यादा देखने को मिल रही है। यहाँ पर हम और भी लोगों से बात करेंगे, जितने भी इनोवेटर्स हैं, क्यूरेटर्स हैं, उनसे बात करेंगे।
And we are here proudly exhibiting under DRDO Pavilion. So we are a deep tech startup and we cater to industries like aerospace and defense, IoT and embedded and medical device engineering. So we provide solutions from ideation to commercialization. So these are some of the products that we have designed for Aeronautical Development Agency, DRDO ADA. So this was the project awarded to us under TDF scheme DRDO. And in collaboration with DRDO and ADA, we have developed it from scratch. So it has various critical subsystems that are like in-house rebuilt because they were not available in India and no one was able to manufacture them. So we have developed our expertise in developing high precision temperature sensors and mineral insulated de-icing systems, which can be used in different probes. So we have received tenders for de-icing systems as well for other probes. And apart from this, these are our CEO and chairperson and the founders of our organization. So we are a team of 60 plus people guided by them, and proudly we are developing technology.
Like, how does this product work?
So basically this is a temperature sensor for light combat aircraft. So when an aircraft is flying, it does not know at what altitude it is or what is the airspeed. So to detect that, it cannot directly measure it. So for that we have sensors like this, temperature sensors, that measures the temperature, derives the airspeed and accordingly derives the altitude. So this is how it works. It has high precision temperature sensors input there.
Like, what criteria do you use when you select your startup?
When we select our startup.
Like your startup. Like, what criteria? Like your project startup. This is our startup, right?
Yeah, we are a startup, but it will be 10 years to us now.
Okay.
And we have converted into a proper organization now. And if you are asking me like how do we select our projects, then there are certain areas that we have developed our expertise in. First criteria is that. Second is we also choose our clients. So we always welcome and look for people who understand research and development and who are genuinely willing to get into research and development. And we have developed our specialties or USP in developing critical or things like sensors from scratch.
Okay. Like, how is this going? Like in 10 years? Like if we talk about growth and all.
Like if I talk about growth, so this financial year we have done our evaluation and we have a turnover of 25 plus crores now.
That's so good.
And last year it was 8 crore plus. So we have an annual growth of approximately 300% right now. And we are very excited to move ahead.
Last year भी शायद महाकुंभ 2024 हुआ था शायद startup.
Yeah, at that time we have not participated. This is our first time. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. अभी के लिए बस इतना ही, बने रहिए मेरे साथ.